Bosch hammer on here now. The famous GSH11E. Running no problem. Problem is the tool holder. It's not holding the butt, it's just spinning about. It's leaving the chisel on the concrete, and as well you can see how much play there is on it. Tool holder's worn out, so that needs to be changed. It's not overly difficult to change these, but there is a wee bit of stripping down involved. Out these wee steel balls. Easier to just use a magnet. Keep them all together. Allen key then. You don't need to strip the entire machine. You will get away with just stripping this top section here. And there can be grease on this end as well, so try to leave it sitting up. Leave all these parts on. If you wanted, you could service this machine at the same time, but this man just wants the tool holder replaced. The machine is actually hammering fine. This is what we want out. Your striker. If you look inside, there's meant to be 2 keyways down either side, actually 3. 2 one side, 1 the other. They're completely gone. So there's nothing to stop that chisel rotating inside the hole and coming away from them keyways, or them paws. Down this end, you have a circlip. Pull that out. An oil seal, and you have another circlip. And that's where you get your tool holder out. Obviously, they're never clean. Rebuild this now. There's not much point in putting it together dirty like this. Wash all these parts out first. We'll put on the new tool holder. Right, that's us all cleaned out. Also replace the end cap as well. There's the part number for your tool holder. That's your replacement tool holder. See down inside, 2 keyways up here and 1 down the bottom. That is for actually holding your chisel in position, stop it from rotating. That's what's worn out in this one, as well as the fact that the hole's gotten bigger. And as well, the striker, just completely smashed up, worn completely out. That's what's actually hitting the end of your chisel. It's only lasts so long. That's done some amount of work to actually wear that thing out. Wouldn't actually change these too often, nor would you change a tool holder very often. That's what it should look like. See how much wears on that. This isn't just mild steel, that's hardened steel. Very difficult to wear. Exact same as the disassembly. Just everything in the reverse order. Left O-ring in place. Bit of grease and everything. Make sure it doesn't run dry at all. O-ring for on here. That goes on there. Circle clip goes on top. A new oil seal, keeping the dirt out and the grease in so it faces towards you. It's facing into the hammer. The other circlip. Then you can take your striker. Put that on. And a good dab of grease on there as well. And just because I have it off now and it's easy, I'll just rebuild the hammer section. A tool holder. A little bit of grease you put on at the beginning there helps hold these steel balls in place. There's your tool holder section. Now, you can just marry the two back up again. Doesn't matter of orientation. Just make sure you keep this end nice and clean. No dirt, debris gets onto the grease inside. Lastly, your handle. That's her. One new tool holder. And a Bosch GSH11E. Nice and tight and holding the bit no problem.